Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite features that I found during the University Comparison Usability Test. I found this feature on the University of Idaho website while completing the task of finding what majors are offered at the university. This page is called the Degree Finder. I got here by searching majors in the search bar and clicking the second link on the home page. At the bottom here are all the different ways you can search for majors. You can search by keyword or name, A through Z index, or my favorite, you can browse using filters to help narrow down the possibilities. After we apply the filters, for this example, we'll use Bachelor's in Engineering on the Moscow campus. You press go and it takes you to the information search page. This page lists all majors according to the possible filters with pictures and description of what each one is. Now if a student is curious, they can click on the links and get sent to an information page that explains more about the specific major and where to learn more. Now going back to the search, if a student wants to change the filters that they have, they can select other options on the side here and press apply filters. Now all of those different topics and all the majors listed will be shown in the search. Overall, this tool is one of the best I've found for helping prospective students explore possible majors and choose the one that suits them the best. Thank you.